Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by measuring and assembling ingredients for reliable sugar cookie dough. In a medium bowl, whisk 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt until uniform. In a stand mixer, cream 1 cup, 226 g, unsalted butter with 1 cup granulated sugar until light and fluffy, about 3 minutes. Add 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon milk. Mix until combined. Scrape the bowl and test texture. It should hold shape but be slightly pliable. Mix the dough on low speed only until dry ingredients disappear. Overmixing develops gluten and toughens cookies. Turn dough onto a floured surface and press into 2 flat discs about 1 inch thick. This keeps rolling consistent. Wrap each disc tightly in plastic wrap to prevent moisture loss. Chill the wrap discs for at least 1 hour in the refrigerator. For best flavor and ease of cutting, chill up to 72 hours. If dough is too firm, let it sit 10 minutes before rolling. When ready to bake, preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line baking sheets with parchment paper. Roll 1 chilled disc to 1/4 inch thickness on a lightly floured surface. Use cookie cutters to stamp shapes and transfer them with a thin spatula. Space cookies 1 inch apart on the sheet. Bake at 350 degrees F for 8 to 10 minutes, removing when edges are set but centers remain pale for a tender bite. Cool on a rack. Then store in an airtight container up to 5 days or freeze up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.